How to change audio on Instagram Reel after you have posted it. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can change your audio on your Instagram Reel that you have already uploaded or posted. Well, let's get quick into this video. Simply open up Instagram and head over to your profile over where your reel is that you have posted with the song. Now I don't have any reel here, but I posted certain video here along with this sound, right? So you can see your song. Now how you can change it, right? Well, if you tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the post, you'll find various other options here. However, you won't find the option to edit audio. Unfortunately, Instagram doesn't give you any option to change your reel after you have posted it. Now the only option is that you can download the reel. So you can simply go ahead and download the reel, and once you have downloaded the reel, you can edit the audio through other audio editing apps, and then you can go ahead and repost it. Or if you simply want to change the audio, then you can tap on three dots here, save the post first and delete the post, or archive it and then create new post with another song. So now this is the only option available. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comment down below.